So now that I have a toddler, I'm always looking for the perfect laundry basket for my kids. And that's why I really love this cute little hamper. This was gifted me from the brand, but as always, I would give my honest opinion. So what I love about it too, it has a nice little like mesh top so I can kind of contain everything, especially when I'm bringing it down. Because do you know how many times I've dropped little itty bitty laundry because it's kind of spilled over. But this is also super sturdy. This has a waterproof interior and amazing handles. This is super easy to put together. It comes with these little poles that kind of just snap together, and you put it down the lining, and then you can easily just snap it in. So if you're looking for a hamper, this is definitely the one you need. So the one thing I love about this hamper is that it is so slim. I don't have to worry about blocking this vent. So I'm really secure, but I just love how much it holds and how easy it is to kind of pick up all my laundry. Just throw it right in. It stays secure when I need it to be, and really will help me tidy up my little one's room. So if you're looking for a hamper, this is definitely the one.